In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Japanese yen futures as they're realizing some higher price action today. Yen futures trading higher for a second session, and today we're looking at the futures market moving back up towards those 1-week highs, which also correspond with the highest levels in 6 weeks. When you look at the yen futures maintaining this upward price trajectory from that 38-year low that they experienced a few weeks ago. And when you look at some of the driving factors today, really one of the primary drivers appears to be the focus on the Bank of Japan and the expectation that they could potentially raise rates next week at their announcement on July 31st. I believe that's the Bank of Japan's meeting, and the expectations are that they could raise rates by 10 basis points. Shifting, again, what is perceived as a very dovish type of monetary policy has been for several years, and that certainly had an impact on the yen. But now that they are incrementally approaching the point where it looks like they might be increasing rates, tightening monetary policy, that's having a positive impact for the yen, at least from the short-term perspective, and lifting it appears as we move through this week. Now, looking at the general trends, the yen is now moving back up towards those highs from last week, but maintaining this upward trajectory. After hitting the 38-year lows a few weeks ago, we are seeing some higher price action here as we move through the month of July. And again, the yen is regaining some upside momentum. And when you look at today, there's certainly dispersion between the yen and most of the other major FX futures markets today, where we're seeing weakness in the other major FX markets. We're seeing the euro, the British pound, the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc, all under pressure today, yet the yen showing some strong performance. So again, it appears that the focus is on the Bank of Japan, the potential of a shift in policy and tightening policy, and with that, the yen is moving back up towards the highest level in 6 weeks.